Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you're all doing well. So my canvas today is a 14" by 18", and that's my cell activator, which is my custom gold mix, Pebeo Precious Gold, Golden Iridescent Gold Fine, and Atelier Rich Gold. And that is another CA, which is a mix of Amsterdam and Pebeo Paynes Grey, equal parts of both of them, both Paynes Grey. And then that was Boomgel Stain Willie Wagtail Black, which I've put on top of the cell activator, so that when you put them on your palette knife, obviously it's all in reverse to how you would put it onto your canvas. So you always want the cell activator on the top, so it goes on your palette knife first. So I'm only using these three colours today, just black, gold and white. So I'll let you carry on watching. Yeah, and hope you enjoy it. If you do, please hit the like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it. It's free. And then you'll know when I publish a new video. There was one part of this that I didn't like. I'll pop back in and talk about that when I show you. See you soon.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back, honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green in all the colors. Summer love, remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon, no place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioned blues. Could use some too. A little bit of summer love. watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
The part I don't like is there. I don't know what happened there. It looks even worse close up as well, because it looks as if it's sort of underneath the white pillow. So it looks really grey and really spoils it. So what I did was, once it was dry, I just used my white pillow paint and a paintbrush, and it took about 4 coats to cover it up. Just shows that the paint's not really that opaque, the pillow paint. Yeah, it's at least 4 coats. It might have been 5 coats, but it's much better now. This is it now. It looks cleaner and sharper. So I'm happy with it now. And the gold that you can see on the black, that's just a gold acrylic pen that I didn't do anything special. I literally went over where the lacing was just to make it a little bit brighter. And just there, just above the gold, I used a very fine black, I think it was a Micron Sigma pen. Just to do a little bit of embellishing, just some circles, just to add a few more cells or cell type effects, because it wasn't really very noticeable there, the cells. Not as bubbly as the rest anyway. So yes, I'm happy with this. Hope you like it. Give me the thumbs up if you do. I'll be very grateful. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate you all being here. Love you loads. Bye. Take care.